Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Tom from Rusco Total Care. So we've been getting a lot of comments about the wheels and tires of the Maverick. We've lowered it. Obviously now we need to do something about that. So we're going to be fixing that today. We're going to do a full wash on the vehicle quick here, get it looking good, and then we have new wheels and tires going on. I'm just washing it. So these are the new wheel and tire we have. It's a newer brand, this Tourin 20-inch rim. I wanted to go with kind of this is a gunmetal graphite metallic. I didn't want black. We have a 235 45 20, so this is the skinniest with the smallest sidewall I could get. I believe there's like one other option that was skinnier sidewall. It was a Pirelli though, and it was like a $600 or $700 tire. I didn't want to do with that. Go ahead. Look how long it takes the body to move before the tire moves. Okay. So we're a little wider. Just a hair shorter. Moment of truth. matters, but there's your all-electric, your instant MPG, your range, and your range to empty. If you scroll to this screen, it actually gives you, it just had on the digital speedometer. But when you click on it, I found there's an EV coach. This will recommend to you, like if you want hybrid, if you're on the brake, if you're on the power. And then it still has your fuel economy with your instant. So my fuel economy over the 700 miles is 40.8 mpg.
That's pretty good. Pretty good.
So new ride with the new wheels.
Yeah. With the proper wheels.
The proper wheels. I can't tell 20s on 235s.
Yeah.
I can't tell if it's feels smoother or not. So it feels good. It's still
shaky.
It's still shaky, which I just think is going to be because we lowered it almost 4 inches. But you definitely like feel the chatter just along the road, which I'm okay with. My big thing is the if it's going to be still good MPG.
Yeah, we're gonna test it out.
And I had to drive. I had a customer in the vehicle and I had to run him out quick because this is the shop shuttle, and it must have had to relearn the wheel speed sensors and probably the TPMS with the new tires and wheels, because when I pulled out, I was nervous because my instant MPG for probably the first 2.5 miles was not getting any better than 20 MPG. So I was really nervous because I'm like, I bought this thing to get well over 40 or 40 to 45. And if this new wheel and tires puts me back into 20, then I would have to seriously consider getting rid of them. But it seems to be back running into electric mode. Now it's in electric mode. So this is 99.9 mpg. Handles the bumps pretty good.
For some reason I thought it would feel rougher, but it doesn't.
No, we arguably have a nicer tire on it.
Yeah.
Bridgestone, Alzina, all-terrain, or no, all-season.
Compared to Continental
something, just a cheap discount tire.
But it's not terrible. I mean,
no, if you accept that I got 3 inches over diameter wheels, and I lowered it roughly 4 inches, so it handles like a dream. Train tracks? Stiffies.
Yeah, like a little sport truck.
It's a little sport truck. My very own little sport truck. That's a hybrid. $60. Wait till you put it in sport mode.
I mean,
now it's in electric though. I get all that back.
I wonder. I mean, you mentioned they do make exhaust for it, right? But not for the East engine. I think for the 2.0.
I think I can get an exhaust for the hybrid.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'll have to see what it costs. Maybe we'll just do it to do it for content. I definitely feel like there's no body roll.
Yeah, it feels almost planted.